If you're using Fresh Sales to run your business, here's your chance to attract more leads, engage them like never before, and close more deals. Introducing Hippo Video integration for Fresh Sales Suite. From large-scale email campaigns to automated journey emails, marketing teams can now deliver personalized video content right into prospects' inbox. Make every touch point personal with videos to boost engagement and nurture leads effectively. Spruce up landing pages by adding videos in a few simple clicks and turn visitors into leads effortlessly. With Hippo Video integration for Fresh Sales Suite, sales reps can easily record, edit, and send one-on-one video emails to prospects. Connect better, instantly build trust, and increase responses by 300%. With Hippo Video's real-time reports, sales reps can track prospects' video activity and pursue hot leads with the right follow-ups to close deals faster. Sales rep can also measure their video performance to know which video assets are working for them. Supercharge your Fresh Sales CRM with the power of videos today.
Everyone loves to see prospects responding to emails, book meetings, and convert successfully. But then it takes something unique to make your outreach stand out and get prospects to respond in the first place. How do you do that? It's time to give your emails a personalized makeover to boost response rates and engage effectively with prospects. Adding Hippo Video with Outreach lets you do this and more. Here's what you can do. Record one-to-one personalized videos via webcam, edit it right there, and send it to your prospects within Outreach. Adding a video in your email increases response rates by 300%. Send out a single video email to multiple prospects from the Hippo Video library within Outreach. Hippo Video lets you personalize emails with the recipient's information like name, company name, and email. Be sure to add interactive CTAs within videos to book more meetings and move prospects down the sales funnel faster. Adding personalized sales pages in your emails is a great way to educate prospects about your product or service. You can add quick video intros, product demos, customer testimonials on the same page, and customize it by changing the title, company logo, and contact information. Last but not least, Hippo Video's real-time analytics keeps you updated on your video emails performance and helps you plan follow-ups better. To engage effectively with your prospects and close more deals, integrate Hippo Video to Outreach now.
Are you a SalesLoft user looking to engage effectively with prospects and accelerate deals? Introducing Hippo Video integration for SalesLoft. Humanize sales engagement with personalized videos to connect better with prospects and boost engagement at every stage of the sales cycle. Easily record, edit, and add videos to your SalesLoft prospecting emails within minutes. Video emails can help you stand out in your prospects' inbox, build trust that buyers are looking for, and increase responses by 300%. Make every touchpoint impactful by adding personalized videos and cadences. Nurture leads effectively and accelerate deal closures by sending automated video messages at the right time through the right channel. Send out videos as interactive sales pages that can be completely customized. Nudge prospects to take action by adding interactive calls to action within videos and move them through the sales funnel faster. Hippo Video provides video reports and real-time notifications on prospects' video activity right inside SalesLoft. Sales reps can now pursue the right leads when they are hot with timely follow-ups and close them faster. So what are you waiting for? Integrate SalesLoft with Hippo Video today.
Are you a sales rep who's tried everything, but tired of not getting enough responses from your prospects? We know your struggle. It's about time to humanize prospect engagement with personalized videos. Here's how we help. Easily record one-on-one video messages via webcam, edit them right there, and send it to your prospects from Salesforce. Sending video emails increases response rates by 300% and helps build a personal connection with them. Include personalized sales pages in your emails to educate and nurture prospects about your product/service. With Hippo Video, you can customize the entire sales page by changing the company logo, title, and contact information. You can pin quick video intros, product demos, customer testimonials, and contract PDFs on the same page and share it. Nudge prospects to take action by adding interactive calls to action within videos. Move them quickly through the sales funnel by allowing them to book meetings from the video and close more deals. Hippo Video provides real-time video reports inside Salesforce to help track how prospects have engaged with your videos. Pursue the right leads with precise follow-ups and close deals effectively. Measure your team's individual and overall performance by monitoring a variety of video asset metrics, team metrics, user engagement stats, and deals influenced by videos from the video dashboard in Salesforce. So what are you waiting for? Integrate your Salesforce CRM with Hippo Video today.
More than 40% of sales reps agree that prospecting is the most challenging part of the sales process. Are you one among them who is struggling to grab your prospect's attention and staying up all night devising strategies to shorten the sales cycle? Worry no more. Hippo Video integration for HubSpot helps humanize your sales process by utilizing videos that exude warmth and transcend distance, making prospecting this close to face-to-face communication. Here's what you can do. Easily record and send one-on-one video emails within HubSpot. Build trust and instantly connect with your prospects through videos. Personalize videos at scale in a single click by adding content unique to every prospect, like name, company name, contact details, and send it out as a campaign to multiple contacts or lists. Engage better with prospects by adding interactive CTAs within videos and share personalized video sales pages in your emails to educate them about your product or service. Above all, track prospects' engagement right within HubSpot. Get instant notification on videos, views, and watch percentage to qualify leads and push them down the sales funnel. What are you waiting for? Integrate Hippo Video with HubSpot today.